Hello friends, welcome to Rao's Maths class. Today we will discuss about the multiplication of fractions. So first one is multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Multiplication of fraction by whole number. By whole number. Okay, na? What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called as whole numbers. So multiplication of fraction by a whole number. If I want to multiply, example you see, I want to multiply 2 into suppose 1 by 4. How I multiply this one? So 2 into 1. How to multiply this one? You have to multiply the whole number with the numerator and keep the same denominator. That is equal to 2 into 1 by 4. That is equal to 2 by 4. Okay na? So if I ask you 3 into 2 by 5, how you multiply? So you have to multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction. Multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the same denominator. So you see 3 into 2 by 5, that is equal to 6 by 5. Clear? Okay now. Here if I want to multiply 6 into 7 by 8. How to multiply? You have to multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the same denominator. So 6 into 7 by 8 is equal to 6 sevens are 42 by 8. Clear? So multiplication of fraction is, so multiply the whole number with the numerator of fraction, keeping the denominator same. That is called multiplication of fraction by a whole number. What are doing here? Here multiply the whole number. Multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator the same. Keeping the denominator the same. This is the multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Similarly, if I want to multiply 3 by 5 into 8. So here also you see same pattern. So what I told you is multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator the same. So 3 into 8 by 5. 3 8s are 24 by 5. This is the way you will multiply the whole number with a fraction. If I want to multiply 9 by 17 into 8. How to multiply it? So 9 into 8 by 17. So 9 8 are 72 by 17. That's all. So this is the way of calculating the multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Clear? Pause the video, note it down. Now we'll see the multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Multiplication of fraction with a fraction. multiplication of fraction with a fraction. See, you want to multiply 2 by 3 into 5 by 7. See, if you want to multiply 2 by 3 into 5 by 7, what we have to do is simply multiply the numerators by multiply the denominators. See, 2 into 5 by 3 into 7. That is equal to 2 5s are 10 by 3 7s are 21. That's all. This is the multiplication fractions. So, one more example. This is one. Second one you see. 3 by 5 into 9 by 13. How you will do is, see, 3 into 9, product of fractions is equal to product of numerators, 3 into 9 by product of denominators, 5 into 13. So that is equal to 3 9s are 27 by 5 13s are 65. So what we would write it down is, product of fractions is equal to product of fractions is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. Product of fractions is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. So if I write one more example, if I see one more example, I ask you 2 1 by 3 into 3 2 by 5 into 6 3 by 4. What you will do is, first convert these mixed fractions into a improper fractions. So first you see here 2 1 by 3 is how you will convert it into improper fraction. 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 6 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. 3 2 by 5 is equal to 3 into 5 plus 2 by 5. So 3 5s are 15 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 17 by 5. 6 3 by 4 is equal to 6 into 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 6 4 are 24 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 27 by 4. So what you have to do is simply write here the fractions. Convert the mixed fractions into the improper fractions. So improper fraction means 2 1 by 3 means how much? 7 by 3 into 3 2 by 5 means 17 by 5 into 6 3 by 4 means 27 by 4. So what we have to do is simply multiply the numerators. So 7 into 17 into 27, because product of fractions is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. 3 into 5 into 4 is equal to 7 into 17 how much? 7 into 17 how much? 7 7s are 49. Okay, 7 1s are 7 7 49. 1 7 are 7. That is equal to 9 1 1. So 1 1 19. 1 1 9. 1 1 9 into 27. 1 1 9 into 27 how much? 7 9 is 63. 3 6. So 1 is 7 plus 6 13. 1. 7 1 is 7 plus 1 8. 2 9s are 18. 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 1 are 2, that is equal to 3. 3 plus 8 11, 1. 9 plus 3 12, 2 1 3. So 3 2 1 3 by 3 into 5 into 4 is equal to 3 5s are 15 into 4. 4 5s are 22. 1 4 plus 2 6. 60. This is the solution. Okay, na? This is the way you will solve the multiplication of the fractions. There are two types. One is multiplication of fraction with the whole number, and second one is multiplication of fraction with a fraction. So multiplication fraction with the whole number, how you will do it? Multiply the whole number with the numerator fraction, keeping the denominator the same. That is the first one. Second one is multiplication fraction with the fraction is product of fractions is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. Okay, na? Understand? So this is the way you solve the multiplication of fractions. If you like this video, please like it and share it to your friends and family, and also please subscribe to my channel Rof's Maths Class. Thank you.